Okay guys, I am doing a sound test of the blue microphone. I am about 5 to 6 inches away. If I sit upright, I can be very close but slightly above the mic at about 3 to 4 inches away. If I scoot back to about 1 foot away, and if I scoot back to about 2 feet away. I can also turn the gain up, like so, and it is now up to plus 12 decibels at about 3 inches away, at about 1 foot away, and about 2 feet away. And we can jack it all the way up. Let's just go ahead for the kickers now. You might want to turn your speakers down. 36 decibels, 3 inches away, 1 foot away, 2 feet away. As you might notice, when you turn the gain up, you are going to be picking up every background sound. Now let's test the other settings. For the first setting is regular cardioid. For the next setting, you might want to turn your speakers up to hear me. It's going to be minus 10 decibels. Alright, we are now switched over to setting number 2, which is minus 10 decibels. This is great for playing music and doing stuff that's loud. That's why it's minus 10 decibels. But if you're using something like Audacity, you can already do that yourself. This is me at about 3 inches away, me at about 1 foot away, and about 2 feet away. Alright, and let's go on to setting number 3. I will test this from the front and the back. Setting number 3. This is the omnidirectional. This is me at about 3 feet away from the front, foot away, or excuse me, that was 3 inches. This is about a foot away, and this is about 2 feet away. Now I'm going to flip it around and see how well you can hear me. Alright, this is me from the back, about 3 inches away, 1 foot away, and about 2 feet away. How does that sound? Next up, we will be testing out my headset that I was using originally. See you in a sec. Alright, this is me recording on my headset, which is a Rosewell RHM-556. It is a 3.5mm connector, and it is a circummural headset. This is what I was using for a long time, and for some reason when I'm recording sound on this through Fraps, it picks up a lot of background static. I don't know why. It's probably my computer, but I don't know why it's only picking it up in Fraps. It's not picking it up right now so bad. This goes along with the sound test, the blue Snowball, just to give you an idea of things that how things sound. If you want to buy this headset, if you think it sounds better, granted this is about an inch away from my mouth, it was about $15 after shipping. Yeah. So next up is my webcam mic. Alright, this is the sound test comparison with my Microsoft LifeCam HD 3000 webcam. This is its built-in microphone that you're hearing. I want you to see the differences between the blue Snowball, my headset, and this webcam. The differences are pretty much the headset was about $15. This webcam cost me about $50 after shipping, and the blue Snowball cost me about $85 in all. I still get to kind of play with it some more, get used to it, and figure out the perfect recording settings for me to get it to work exactly as I need it to. This has been my little sound test see you guys later.